And as I understand, in the same room, you have also Mr. Aljoš Kovša, President of the National Council of Slovenia. The floor is yours.
Thank you. Mr. Juri Ratas, dear fellow presidents of the parliaments of the partner countries, honored other high guests. I am pleased to be able to address this distinguished assembly on behalf of the second chamber of the Slovenian Parliament, the National Council of the Republic of Slovenia. More than that, I am pleased that the Free Seas Initiative has slowly and steadily grown from a political declaration initiative to a strong economic and development initiative, and that this outline has been obtained at the very last session of the summit here in Slovenia, Brno. What is more, I estimate that because of its flexibility and mobility, it has become a part of the global debate, which was also its original purpose. I am aware that integration, which promotes regional dialogue and at the same time strengthens the transatlantic alliance, must be based on the concrete development priorities, such as additional investment in the economy, transport connectivity, investment in energy infrastructure, and the development of digital communications. According to the above, for the Republic of Slovenia, participation in the Free Seas Initiative is one of the means of implementing the foreign and economic policy strategy of Republic of Slovenia, especially in cooperation with the EU or EU's so-called Green Dialogue. By actively participating in the initiative, Slovenia announces that it is a reliable member of the Transatlantic Alliance. Cooperation in the economic field, including the strengthening of transport links, has a special place in this regard. For Slovenia, as a country with limited economic potential, but with an excellent geostrategic location, such a form of integration is crucial. And we already have 6 strong priority infrastructure projects registered, which will be revised meaningfully in line with the interests of the partners' countries. I see the major development acceleration of the initiative in the very establishment of the investment facility, where we have contributed 23 million euros through the Slovenian Export and Development Bank, which is thus becoming the central financial pillar for the co-financing of infrastructure projects in the region, which we need together. A good indicator of development will be the increased financial investment by a private capital, because it is difficult to imagine the realization of projects without an established public-private relationship. It is an important platform which strengthens political contacts by north-south geopolitical axis and which in the long term brings energy stability and quality transport routes into the region. By upgrading the platform to form business forums, such a strategic orientation is transformed into an operational form, which is extremely important in this pandemic and post-pandemic times. I join the majority opinion that the informal organization of both the summit and the business forum will continue to be preserved. Let it therefore stand as a platform that allows cooperation to be strengthened and promotes the implementation of the member states' priority strategic projects through the business. Initiatives to enlarge the partnership through the acceptance of new members, such as Greece, are welcome, of course. Thank you for your attention.